Hi, Kirsten. Would you
Hi.
introduce yourself?
I'm Kiersten Gibson. I'm with Reach Media Network. I'm currently the president, and we're a CMS company. We were recently acquired by Poppulo in March, and yeah, I'm happy to be here.
You were acquired by Poppulo, but how did Reach start?
So we started back in 2005, and the story I always say is we went backwards into the industry. So we actually started in ice arenas in Minnesota.
That's very niche.
Yeah, it's very niche, yes. And you can only, have signage in so many ice arenas. So we ended up expanding more into the fitness space, YMCA's, parks and rec, which then rec centers got us into universities and colleges. And that's really kind of when we started being more present within the industry. And now, we've expanded over the last, 2025. So or the last 20 years. So we're at over 11,000 customers now running on Reach. And, our average deal size is going to be around 20 players, but we do support, anywhere from one screen to thousands of screens. Recently, we actually brought on our biggest customer this year, which is over 2,000 screens. And we're really excited. We had just launched our new CMS earlier this year, and really to support and scale quicker, easier, and make it simpler for our customers.
Perfect. So you just mentioned that you acquired your largest customer this year, which is great. Congratulations. But that's kind of contrary to the market trend. Do you see certain verticals struggling, or are the verticals that you're focusing on expanding? What's your feeling about 2026?
Yeah, so we have had a lot of customers continue to expand. I'd say specifically for us, it's been more corporate manufacturing this year, and really getting more global. So we've had a global presence for years, but I'd say Europe is going to be a big focus for us, specifically with some of our existing end user customers. We have expanded more into the channel reseller space, and that's really key for our growth in 2026.
So you do mainly channel business, correct?
No, so we actually do both. So we did start direct, hence the reason with the ice arenas and such. So really for us, we started selling local ads on screen. So that's really how everything started. And we still have our first, second, third customer running on Reach today. And, that renewal is key. We're currently sitting at a 97.1% retention. So that's something we're really proud of. And reason why we're both direct and channel is because those existing customers that we did start with, we cater to them. We have been trying to expand in the reseller and channel space. And what we find key to that growth too is bringing in some of our existing end users, when they need a full turnkey solution, and really growing that relationship with, our actively engaged partners.
So you just had a huge rewrite of your CMS, correct?
Yep.
And you're also, Poppulo really has a state-of-the-art CMS as well. And I know they're investing heavily in AI. Are you able to kind of leverage those capabilities, or is there an integration happening?
Well, we'll be sharing more in 2026. But no, yeah. So we are trying to collaborate where we can, and where it makes sense. Currently we have the products separate, the brands separate. And it really boils down to how the end users need to use the software. So what we found is kind of with our new CMS, it is a lot easier and faster to add on the features and the integrations for those more sophisticated customers that we continue to grow with. And that's really key, kind of leveraging Poppulo, is understanding how maybe they did something for that type of customer. And does it make sense, to recommend them to Poppulo or keep them on Reach?
Okay, so your CMS has a modular architecture where you can integrate APIs through APIs.
Yes. That is literally how our software was built. So with the ice arenas, I guess I should mention this, but it was a rink schedule. So locker rooms, that's kind of really how Reach came about. And so the software was truly built around the integration with calendars and those rink schedules. So, and that's how it's evolved from there.
Wow. Okay.
It's
Looking
fun.
forward to 2026.
Yes,
So what's
yes.
happening with you? What's happening with Poppulo? Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Kirsten.
yeah, thank you. Thank you.